Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add no-go zones and virtual walls on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. To add no-go zones and virtual walls, you can simply click on this Edit Map button and then select no-go zone. Now you can add an invisible wall, which I already have added here, which means the robot will not go past that wall, which I think is pretty efficient in case you don't want it to go into some room or you don't want it to go into a part of the room, or just like anywhere, honestly. Then you can also add a no-go zone, which I also have here. You can resize it, you can rotate it, you can move it or delete it and place it anywhere, and it won't go. It will just go around the no-go zone. So if you find your robot to, for example, get stuck somewhere, or you just don't want it to go into somewhere, you can do the no-go zone or invisible wall. So it will simply not go there and not get stuck. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.